ko ni Miss Vanessa, accept ko ba? Kasi I am a type of person po na napaka-private. So, kung makikita nyo sa post ko, hindi ako yung sa team ko lang, na small team, na Baby Boomer team, yun lang po nakakatingin ng story ko. No? Anyway, malinaw po ba ako? Kasi I'm just, naka-speakerphone lang ako. Okay lang, Miss Val, no?
Yes,
Again, ayokong umiyak, but let's just say each other good morning, because when I had a surgery, every morning na po akong nagsasabi ng thank you for the life, thank you for the morning, thank you that God give us another life, and for breathing His life into our respective nostrils every day, no? So before po ako i-introduce ko ang sarili ko, ang aking kwento ay medyo mabigat, so medyo lighten up natin yung mood, Miss Vanessa, kasi this is my very first time na isi-share ko yung story ko out of our small team. But I am very honored and humbled to share it with you. Kahit po hindi ko nakikita yung names, thank you for attending. Ako po I will give you a little story of myself. I am Michelle Medina. I'm 46 years old. Wala po akong anak, no? Wala kaming anak because sa sobrang sipag ko sa pagtatrabaho, nag-asawa ang lola nyo ng late na. Okay? 2020. So, at 10 to 15 years, I worked as a salesperson. And then after I got married, no, nagtrabaho or nag-put up kami ng mag-asawa ng isang company selling wallpapers and artworks. If you see in my back, no, this is the healing artwork done by my husband, and one of our products company is we sell this. So sobrang sipag ko po at sa sobrang stress, tulad ng sinabi ni Ma'am Vanessa, ang stress ang number one culprit. So to those new, better avoid stress. Today is Cancer Awareness Month. Yun po ang una kong masasuggest at may ipapayo. Avoid stress. Kasi yun po ang naging cause ng aking sakit. Okay? Sharing is caring. Handa na po ako. Again, I am Michelle Medina. Health is wealth. Nung ako po ay nagkasakit, I thought mamamatay na ako. Sino ang merong history dito ng cancer? Sino ang merong family of cancer? You are very lucky kung bakit kayo na-invite dito. When I had a surgery, sabi ko po sa cardiologist ko, at bago ikwento lahat, no, medyo kinakabahan ako, Miss Val, sorry ha. Nagpa-check up lang po ako dahil gusto ng asawa kong humabol para magkaanak kami. And sabi ko sa aking OB, Doc, bakit parang may nakakapa ako sa left breast ko? Ang sabi niya, oh Michelle, kailangan nating i-check yan bago kita i-work up kung gusto mong magka-baby. And lo and behold, ang laki na po, hindi siya sumasakit. So to all the girls na nandito, you better kapa-kapa din for pag may time, no, sa shower. Ang mas delikado ang hindi sumasakit. So pag hindi sumasakit, dapat medyo aware na po kayo. This testimony is sharing of hope. So wag kayong matakot kasi there's still hope. There is still future placenta, and look at me. After 3 years, hindi po ako nag-visit sa oncologist ko. But I'm not saying na hindi na kayo bumunta sa oncologist nyo, no? Because my oncologist told me, after the surgery, 2 doktor ang pinuntahan ko, ma'am. To all the guests, no, 2 doktor, 2 surgeon. Ang sabi po sa akin, Michelle, you need to undergo major surgery ASAP. kinunan lang po ako ng extraction. At ang naging problema, malignant agad. I was diagnosed stage 2A breast cancer. Inalisan po ako ng nodules. So imagine how hopeless I am, how depressed I am during those moments before mag-pandemic. But God is so good. Kung i-describe ko po sa inyo, I can only lift one page of a Bible during those time. And sobra talaga akong na-depressed. Because kung meron kang diagnosis, ano ang susunod na mangyayari? Di ba ang iisipin mo, mamamatay ka na. I even asked my oncologist, Doc, kung magpapakemo ako, ilang taon ang itatagal ko? Kung kayo matatanong nyo, di po ba? Michelle, I cannot guarantee. Even mag-chemo ka 6 to 8 sessions, hindi ko maig-guarantee na mabubuhay ka. Or mag-recur, or mag-metastasize. So, Doc, bakit kailangan pa mag-chemo? Hindi nyo naman pala masasabi. I know you get my point, no? Nagaget nyo po ba? Di ko kasi, hindi ko nakikita yung guest. Sabi niya, only God knows kung kailan kukunin ng tao ang buhay. Pag kayo ang sasabihan nun, magpapakemo kayo o you will go for alternative. Kindly type yes or no. Baka masyado nang natakot ata yung guest, Miss Vanessa. But God is good all the time. My husband told me, Han, you need to take fertility placenta. Wag po kayong matakot sa presyo. Wag niyo akong gayahin. Kasi prior to my surgery, alam ko na ang 4th year. Pero hindi ko iniinom. You know why? I am too much focused on working hard, making money, and then hindi ko malunok-lunok dahil mahal. But I'm taking some supplements na mas lower. Nagiget niyo po yung point? Hindi ko malunok yung mahal, but I'm taking supplements na medyo mura. But if, maiintindihan niyo, hindi naman po ako kuribot. I love myself. I am very happy person. Only that, hindi ko matake kasi 340 pesos. My God, sabi ko. Tsaka tulad ng sinabi ni Ma'am Vanessa, baka magkasungay ako dyan. Sabi ng husband ko, ano ka ba? You're eating beef, you're eating ganyan. Sabi ko, kung sana pala ininom ko na, sana po hindi na ako na surgery. Because napakadami sa Riway International na hindi na nasusurgery. Merong mga 6 months to live, buhay naman. But our supplement is not, medicine. It is just a food, a miracle food on a cellular level. So doon ko naintindihan. Nung nakita ko sa husband ko, yung effect, doon lang ko ako uminom. And sabi ng surgeon ko, Michelle, sabi niya, mga 6 months. Alam mo po, kung nag-exercise ako noon, ganyan. Mga 3 lang. Nung nag-take ako ng picture, one day, ang gaan ang feeling ko, wala yung lungkot. Parang ang gaan ang feeling ko, hindi ako malungkot, hindi ako depressed. Inumin ko. Nang ininom po. Up until now, I drive 12 hours, 8 to 12 hours. I can drive, I can live a normal life. And then, hindi ako pumunta muna sa oncologist ko. Kasi nga, insist niya na naman, chemo. Di po ba? So, yun po ang naging inspiration ko to share and advocate this product sa relatives ko, pero yung iba po hindi nila alam talaga yung case ko kasi tinago ko talaga. But right now, I am being open kasi nung nag-pray ako, sabi ko po sa Lord, give me another time, give me another chance to live again and to be a better version of myself. And do the mission. So nung sabi po ng holistic doctor ko, since hindi ako nagpa-chemo, Sabi ng holistic doctor ko, Michelle, kailangan mo ng highly oxygenated environment, avoid red meat, avoid sugar, avoid milky products, avoid negative emotions. What are the negative emotions? Anger, stress, sadness, hate. So yan po yung maipapayo ko sa mga wala pa, sa mga wala at meron na. Kung meron man pong nandito, no? Avoid. Kung may detoxification po, ang healing crisis ang ating supplement. We need to detox emotionally and spiritually. That's the restoration and healing that I can attest po, no? And then lagi ko lang pong iniisip that God is the great healer. If I have a cancer, meron pong C, bigger than C na meron ako, which is Christ. Hindi ko po alam kung meron ditong Muslims, meron ditong attendees na basta for me, my sickness is just a little C than the Christ I have, no? So yun po. Number 2 na kailangang iwasan natin, wag lang po siguro tayo focus sa money. That's why I very love and admire this couple. Parang nagtatrabaho sila non-stop, very serious, walang kapaguran, advocating this product. Because Portier really works. Mahal po siya, but it really works. Ang dami po naming testimony. My husband also had a pneumonia. Imagine mo po na ako ay cancer patient, pero ako ang nagdala sa kanya sa hospital. I am immunocompromised. Pero sa awa naman po ni Lord, hindi ako nahawa. Ang sabi ng doctor sa husband ko, 1 month siya sa hospital. Pinainom ko po siya 333. Nagulat ang doktor after 6 days. Nakalabas po ang husband ko sa hospital. Yun nga lang, sobrang mahal ng binayaran namin. But still, life is precious. Life is, life is everything. Life is, yun eh, priceless siya eh. Huwag nating tipirin ang sarili. Huwag niyo po akong gayahin na hindi ko malunok-lunok yung Portier. Pwede naman lunukin. Igagaling naman tayo. Di ba? Wag na tayong magkuripot, no? For our health. Number 3, pray. Yung maisa-share ko lang po, no, kasi until now medyo pinapawisan ako at nineder. The 2Ps that I always, I always live by in the morning is P is prayer, number 2 is Portier, and number 3 is gratitude. If you don't have gratitude, mahirap po gumaling. Even we are in this business, if we don't have gratitude, how can we invite more people? How can we share people the hope na meron talaga? Actually, marami kami sa team, no? Although marami baby boomer pa lang ang aming team, meron kaming sobrang powerful in Marikina na testimony. 2 buwan na po siyang iniiyakan ng wife niya dahil hindi po bedridden, hindi na siya makatayo. We have a video actually. After taking of Portier placenta, 7 days lang, 7 capsule, 3 days po nagbike up until now. Would you believe? So naniniwala na kayo that Portier placenta is really a miracle supplement. Kung ako, because I believe, no, cancer is a cell problem. If you are a cancer patient, sabi nila walang gamot. Pero nutrition ang kailangan ng taong may CA. Once you are supplemented well, hindi siya magre-regenerate ang bad cell. Magre-regenerate ang good cell. So after 3 years of my surgery, here I am, sharing to you po my humble story kahit ninenervyos ako. Because I guess kailangan ko na rin pong i-share kahit ayaw kong sabi. Kasi ang hirap-hirap po tanggapin sa sarili na may sakit ka. Kasi parang in denial ka. Marami kami, admitted yan ng may mga in denial kami. Kaya ang tagal ko pong na-admit after 1 year before I speak up, no. Pero when I speak up, non-stop na siya. Kasi nga iba yung vitality ko nung hindi ako umiinom. Iba yung mind ko nung hindi ako umiinom. Alam mo, nung hindi pa ako umiinom, parang lagi na lang ako nagkukulong sa kwarto ko. Hindi ko alam kung ano ang gagawin ko. Pero nung uminom ako ng 4th year, pati yung depression nawala, pati yung hormonal. Kasi if you have a problem with breast, hormonal mo, it follows. Hindi po ako nakaka-drive pag ako meron. Kasi sobrang kailangan ko mag-bed rest ng 2 days. Pero after taking 4th year, I can drive the whole day now. Amazing po ba ang product natin? Parang tahimik na tahimik sila. Baka natakot na sila, Miss Vanessa. So, yun lamang po, Sir Bart, thank you. Kaya, I will end my story po sa favorite kung sinabi ni Maya Angelou. Sabi nila, we have 2 hands. Dito alam na alam po to ng mga advocate ng 4th year. We have 2 hands daw, the left and the right. One is to serve ourselves and one is to serve and help other people. I hope po kahit ninenervyos ako, ayo na mag-share sa inyo. I hope I was able somehow to share my story and inspire somehow, no? That there's still life after diagnosis. There's still hope. There's still hope. There's still hope, no? Huwag tayong mawawalan ng pag-asa. We need to fight, we need to share, and we need to continue this advocacy because life is good all the time and God is good all the time. Thank you so much for everyone at sana po may natutunan kayo sa akin. God bless us all. Yun lamang
Grabe.
po.
Thank you so much, Sis Mitch. Palakpakan naman natin si Mrs. Mitch for sharing her life story, no? Thank you so much, sis, for saying yes sa akin.
Yes.
And
Nervyos ako.
oo. And I know marami talagang na-inspire tonight dahil sa story mo. And thank you, sis, and keep on sharing and keep on inspiring us and all the people that you meet in your journey in life. And I am blessed kasi na-meet kita. Thank you, sis. Thank you so much.
Medyo shock ako, but I really need to share because this is the first time talaga to share po out of our team. I'm sharing this bit in my condition sa mga very close ko lang talaga. You are the first team that I shared. Kayo pong team nyo.
Wow, thank you. Thank you so much, Sis Mitch. And may tanong lang dito, sis. Oo,
yes.
May tanong lang dito. Nung daw nagte-therapy ka, ilan yung yung iyong dosage every day? Nung nagte-take ka ng 4th year?
My first month po is 2-2. My first month is 2 in the morning, 2 in the evening. Overnight lang may reaction. Kasi yung surgery ko, para siyang nag-dry sa loob. Kasi alam mo yung nangangapalin, you can even, ganon yung kamay mo. 1 or 2 days na alam kong may something, no, na naaano siya. So, tinapos ko nung therapy ko. Up until now, I'm taking 2 to 4 capsules a day because I'm advocating. So I have a pre-battle to take, no. That's why I'm suggesting everyone to drink and to take and advocate. Mm-hmm. You can have the battle for free. You don't have to buy it. You just share it.
Oh.
Ganon. Sabi nga nila, bakit mo nasusustain, Michelle? Ang hirap ng buhay ngayon. Oh, well, I'm advocating it. So I have a free product. Ano po ako, ma'am? 2 to 4 capsule per day up until now.
Up until now. Oh, wow. So yun, no? Thank you, sis, talaga for sharing. This is really, grabe. This is really one of the best testimonial that I ever heard. No? And yan. So, salamat talaga. We are so blessed. And God bless you, Sis Mitch.
Thank you so much.
Yan. So, dun sa ating guest, so you heard na po yung ating testimony, no? And this is really the opportunity for us to share what we have learned, what we have heard. And ito po yung talagang true to life. This is really nangyari talaga sa buhay ng isang tao. And I thank the Lord kasi we have Portier, we have Leeway. And we are sharing hope. We are not selling anything, but we are sharing hope to anyone that is really looking for the solution ng kanilang mga health challenges. So nabanggit kanina ni Mitch na you can have it for free while you are advocating. Ayun. So any more, Miss Mitch, meron ka pa bang message? Gusto pang sabihin?
Wala, thank you. Nahiya ako, ninenervyos pa rin until now. Thank you so much.
Ayan, sis, thank you so much. God bless you. All right. Ayun. So, hi. Sobra. I am in, ngayon, kumbaga parang, I'm in awe. Alam mo yung pakiramdam na parang amazing talaga na personally, you meet this person and ito yung life niya. Ito yung nagawa ng Portier ng Leeway sa kanya. And I know in this room, there are a lot of people here that are looking for solution, no? The answer to their prayer. Baka ito na po yun, no? And for all our advocates, leaders of Leeway, keep on sharing this advocacy because this Portier really works. And we give hope to anyone that will give chance to their self and to their family as well. Yon. So it's time for you to decide. And for all our guests, if you want more information or any clarification, just go back to the person that invited you tonight. And grabe, I was really talagang ako ngayon. Nasa in state pa ako ng talagang sobrang grateful and really blessed by the story of Michelle. No, and I know soon, no, yung ating mga leaders and guests then you'll never know. You'll be one of the speakers soon and sharing your life also, your story also, and you will inspire a lot of people, hindi lang po dito sa Pilipinas but all over the world. So with that, no, thank you so much